Hey everybody, today we're making whole figs. We had about 2.5 to 3 gallons of figs today that I've got to put up. And what we do, I'm going to show you the process of doing whole figs. When you pick them off, lots of times this little stem's there. You only want to take that stem off. You want to leave the whole neck. You do not peel them or anything. You just take the little stem off, that's it. So I've got the last batch here. We're going to let these sit because some of these are not totally ripe, but we've got birds eating them, so we're going to let these sit till tomorrow. This is boiling water. You put the figs in, I'm putting them in a basket. You put them in the boiling water for 2 minutes, and then you drain them, and you add them to a mixture I have over here. Water and sugar, that's it. I put 4 parts water to 1 part sugar. And I'm going to boil this for 5 minutes. And then we're putting it in jars. I have quart jars ready. And we're going to be using my new pot. Stainless pot, it's a 22 quart. I bought it at Walmart, you can get it there. It's tall enough that I can use it as a water bath canner. I can put my quart in there and still have enough space that water does not bounce out. Since I'm only doing about maybe 4 jars, I might have 5, this will hold 5 quarts and safely. So I'm going to use it as a water bath canner today, and once these boil 5 minutes, we're jarring them up. Using this pot as a water bath canner, you need something in the bottom because you do not want to sit your jars directly on the bottom of a pot. This has a little bit of a lip around it, and it keeps it off the bottom of the pot, and it has the holes in it where the airflow will go under it, and you can safely water bath anything in that pot. All right, in this process, all you're doing is dipping lightly the figs out and putting them in a jar. And you don't want to push down or overpack because it would mash the figs. We're trying to leave them in whole pieces. And once you get about where I'm at, I know it's fogging up and you can't tell. But I'm going to put a couple more to fill in spaces, and that's just shaking it a little bit. Okay, that is full. Then I'm just getting some of the juice, which is nothing but sugar and water. Fig juice is pink. That pretty color comes out in it. And that's all there is to making whole figs. We're going to put them in the water bath canner for 45 minutes. So that is a long time with the water bathing. But basically you do not want your figs falling apart on you in this process. That's why I've turned it off. And I'm going to sit this over on my wooden board now so that it doesn't continue cooking. Okay. The pots, when you cook figs in them, have a dark film, and you can take and scrub this and it's hard to get off. The secret, olive oil. Olive oil is the secret to getting this off without scrubbing. What I do, I just put a little bit of olive oil on my hand and I rub it around where it's not the whole pot usually, it is just the top rim. And you rub that olive oil in there and it cuts that film from that fig loose. And when you do that, your pot comes totally clean. There's no film there anymore. All of the sticky stuff from the figs is gone. If it's not gone, reapply a little bit of olive oil. That's all you've got to do. And see, it just wipes right off. That film will just come right off. So olive oil is the secret to getting fig juice off pots really easily without all the scrub. This is a no scrub way. And this is what your pot will look like when you get through. There's no scrubbing involved. The sticky's gone. Olive oil takes any kind of sticky from any type of fruits that will cake onto here, but figs seem to have that latex feel that we'll collect. Looks nice. All right, 3 quarts of whole figs. We're gonna let Danny try them in a few minutes. We've got a few in a pot that I did. We're gonna see how that goes. See what he thinks of them.
Okay, Miss Wanda has got the figs in a jar. She wants me to try them. Because this is what I eat for breakfast in the mornings, and this is our new batch from this year. Got to give it a test to make sure that the figs we're putting up are going to be all right. I don't particularly care for a fig that's all sugar. I want to actually taste the fig. I don't want to taste just sweet, sugary taste. And this here, I really taste the fig. I don't know what ratio she used.
4 to 1.
4 to 1. 4 cups of water to 1 cup of sugar. Yeah, that's, of course, the longer they sit in it, the sweeter they're going to get. So they'll absorb more and more of it. But at this moment, I mean, it seems good to me. I don't have a problem with it. So that's how we process figs here at Deep South Homestead. Hope y'all enjoyed the video watching us can whole figs. So thank you from Deep South Homestead.